Hey everyone, welcome back to another cocktail episode here at Forever Acres Kitchen. I've got another great drink here for the spring and summer cocktail series. I found this recipe from Southern Living and they call it the Sweet Tea Mule. And if it's got ginger beer, I'm trying it. So check it out. All right, so we're going to be using Woodford Reserve's malt whiskey, straight malt whiskey. I really like this. It's got great notes that I feel will pair very well with sweet tea. And I'm using Goslings ginger beer. I find that that's kind of my favorite right now. But if you have any ginger beer brands that you know of that are great, please let me know in the comments. For me, the punchier the better. I don't want it to be too sweet. So if you've got one that's got some great punch, please let me know. And another great thing about this cocktail is this is going to be a bulk one. That's right. 3-quart cocktail right here. You can serve 8 cocktails out of this. For normal people, for me, it'll probably be 4 cocktails. So let's get started. All right, so we're going to go with 3/4 cups of the Woodford Reserve straight malt whiskey, 4.5 cups of unsweet tea, 2 cans of the Goslings ginger beer, 1/3 cup of simple syrup. I am using turbinado. I really like the color in it and the kind of the brown sugar notes. And then 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice, freshly squeezed. We're going to give this a good stir. Smells fantastic. All right, now I'm going to serve me up some. All right, so I'm going to use a mason jar for this, for my serving. I'm going to put I got some ice in there already. I'm going to slide a lemon wedge down there like so. Let me get some more ice in there. And then I'm going to slide a little lime wedge on top like so. Little lime on top. Finish it off with some ice. Get in there. Ooh, look at that. Let's have a drink. All right, so that's another great looking drink right there. I found this recipe in Southern Living, and I love tea cocktails. So when I saw that recipe, I wanted to give it a try, especially since it had ginger beer. I love ginger beer cocktails, so I had to give this one a try. Let's see how it turned out. That's good. Get that nice citrus, the tea. And what's good about that, it's not super sweet because we used unsweet tea and then the turbinado simple syrup. So it's not an overly sweet drink. And we're using Gosling ginger beer, which I don't think is very overly sweet as well. So it's a great refreshing cocktail right there. I really like that, especially with that Woodford malt whiskey. Really good drink right there. Give that a try. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned because we got more drinks coming up in our spring and summer cocktail series. Until then, drink well, my friends. Drink well. That's a good one.